I've been coming to ISCVEx for 5 years now, pretty much since I started with the company. It's always a really good event. It's a great place to socialise and obviously to meet up with a lot of consultants and integrators that we work with on quite a regular basis. But it's always a nice opportunity to actually kind of catch up on projects and just kind of, I guess, get together in a kind of casual setting. Obviously show the new products we've got to any kind of prospective new companies. But I think, it's more the networking side of it that we always find really, really useful.